Pennsylvania is definitely a state that values the local presence. We've always been very proud of the work that we do.
It has become ever more vital that we have energy security here as a nation. And what that means is being able to generate our own energy domestically. Solar is the fastest way to build new energy capacity.
This project in Thompsontown is located in Juniata County, which is actually where my dad grew up. The work that we do is a direct reflection of our family. The purpose of this project is ultimately it's an excess generation project, so we're sending power back to the grid, helping solidify the infrastructure here locally. We partnered with Silfab as a domestic partner on this project. We want to make sure we're always doing right by the community and building a quality project.
It really begins with partnership. I got in touch with the SRE team and we started the conversation about putting together a truly made in America solar system that would use a nearly 2 megawatt solar array to deliver clean energy to the people of Thompsontown and the surrounding areas. For Silfab Solar, we are different in the solar industry in that we're a domestic manufacturer of solar panels. There is domestic innovation. It's real. It's happening, and it's really exciting working together to maximize the impact that we can have for renewable energy for Pennsylvanians.
What we like most about working with Silfab Solar is their ability to deliver domestic panels. In addition to that, we feel that the salesperson, Brendan Higgins, was very supportive of us and it felt like he was our advocate to help get the project done. So we look forward to partnering with Silfab and Brendan in the years to come on many more projects located in Pennsylvania.
Having a partnership with SRE has been a fantastic experience. Partnerships with local distributors, local developers and installers like SRE and some of their partners are integral to Silfab in the way that we operate. It's very exciting to be part of this vision and to know that the investments that we've made in creating jobs and economy and green power are successful and coming to life. You feel a true connection to the work that you're doing, knowing that the scale of the impact that we are having here, it's massive, and it makes you proud to be part of the renewable energy transition here in America.